How to change password in Learn JavaScript. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the password. First of all, open the application. Now, this is the home interface. Here you can see you cannot log in directly. Now on the top, it'll be able to see this settings icon. Tap on settings. But here, there's no any option like changing password or changing any user ID names because this application doesn't allow you to have any account in this application. Here you can get into a pro version, but there's no option as getting a profile or changing the password, so there's no option in this application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.